Grooving machine installation tutorial. Received one mainframe, 2 recliners, and mounting accessories. Start by making a platform like this. There are 3 screw mounting holes on the machine, secured to the platform with 3 set screws. Here's an auxiliary line for installation, just flush with the countertop. Installation of graduated handle. First, take a 19 open-end wrench and lock the nut. Tighten the graduated handle and nut against each other. Leave a gap between the screws and the bottom surface. Scribe the curved square nut in the slide groove. Mount it flush with the machine. Drill holes in the countertop and install the screws to fasten them. Then turn on the power. Connect the air pump. The air pressure is around 6 pressures. Motor height adjustment. Open the cover of the machine. Loosen the index top wire. Turn the scale handle clockwise. Motor elevation. Turn the scale handle counterclockwise. Motor down. Depending on the thickness of the plate, find the center. Lock the top wire here. Adjustment of depth. There's a limit screw on the back of the machine. Loosen the nut here with an open-end wrench of 14. Use a 6-piece Allen wrench. Counterclockwise, screw depth becomes deeper. Lock the nut after adjusting the depth. Turn on the power. Press the down arrow key twice. Selection mode. There are 6 modes in total. The factory default is slotted mode. The machine is loaded with milling cutters. Select 3 slotting mode. Put the plates here. Finding the right slotting location, press the foot pedal. Squeeze out the grooves like this. Timing vapor if you choose to punch mode oil. Timing clear first. Change the milling cutter to a drill 3-bone oil. Pressing the pin and turning the spindle locks it in place. Take the 24 open-end wrench and remove the lock. Replace the drill bit in the same way, and then there are 2 knobs on this side of the machine. Loosen the 2 knobs here a bit. Make the motor go forward and backward a little faster. Then down arrow keys twice. Selection mode. Return to previous screen here. Left and right moving motors. Finding the location of the hole we need to punch. Once you've found the right spot, can work with a foot pedal, can be operated by toggling the positioning tip with the upper hole.